Resource requirements for information systems development. Hi, I'm Bill Carmody. So what are the resource requirements for information systems development? Really, anytime you're building out a project, you're trying to identify every single resource that is necessary to make the project successful. So when it comes to information systems, what you're essentially trying to do is get as granular as you can on all of the who, what, when, where, and whys of a project. So the who is who's working on the project. And that's the RACI matrix: who's responsible, who's accountable, who's consulted, who's informed. Based on that, you've been building in all the resources associated with each participant. How many hours are they spending? When do they need to be consulted or informed? Who's responsible for what at what part of the project? Who's accountable for those deliverables? And what you're doing is you're constantly looking at every aspect of this project and feeding it into the system so that you can have a global view of the entire project. So an information system is supposed to help make sure that you simplify the understanding of where you are in a project at any given time. And those people who are being informed are being able to know exactly where we are in the project. What resources have already been allocated? What of the resources are still available? What's left in the project? So when you're thinking about resource allocation, what you're essentially doing is making sure that all of the individual tasks have the associated individuals and resources built into the information system. That way you could get an alert if you find that you're spending too many hours on a particular task or the budget's going over. You'll have an opportunity to make some adjustments along the way. The information system helps you keep track of all of it because there's a lot of things to hold in your head. If you try to do this on paper, or you try to do it through traditional systems that are not intelligent, you're missing out on the opportunity to get alerts when things are going awry. And if you want to really be an effective project manager, you need to make sure you have the right information in so you can pull the right information out.